Welcome back to the channel guys. Hope you are all doing great. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to fix that annoying faded header look in Microsoft Word or the footer look in Microsoft Word. Let's get right into it. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it. If your header looks faded or dimmed, don't worry. It's just a display setting and not how it prints. So simply open your Microsoft Word, and to see the header at full brightness while editing, go to the Word menu at the top over here. Simply click on the Preference tab. Now here you have to go in the View option in this interface. When you are in this interface, under Show in Document, uncheck the option that says Fade Header and Footers in Print Layout View. Once you have done that, your header and footer will appear in full brightness while editing, just like the rest of your document. Now you can simply open your document and check your header and footer if it looks any different, and that's how you can make your header look normal again and no more faded text. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, drop a comment if you have got questions, and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.